The second husband of mine refused to take care of the children. So I had to leave, my lord, and go back to my father and my brother. Father, my lord, has not paid any maintenance at all.
It was 13 years ago. At that time, that 3,000 was very good amount. Now it may not be good amount, but I have paid up to age of their attaining majority. Girls are drawing 1,50,000 salary. No, please sit down. I did not
Sit down,
interrupt
sir.
you.
I will take instructions from the
No,
court.
please sit down.
And this is only for maintenance for the children. The father, my lord, has not paid any maintenance at all. Please come to para
Both
9.
of them are again married.
Both of them got married again, but the second husband of mine refused to take care of the children. So I had to leave, my lord, and go back to my father and my brother. So my father and brother have been taking care of me and my children and have paid their school fees. Every single expense of theirs has been met by the father, and the father, my lord, is a retired person.
How much is awarded?
3,000 rupees a month. It is an admitted fact that first daughter has completed her BE education and distinction, and now she's working. That's now. Petitioner taking contention. Now the first daughter is working and getting salary. There's no necessity to pay the maintenance amount.
So why
Admitted,
are you seeking maintenance for this earning daughter?
not for earning daughter. It was
The other
still.
one.
It was still no. It was. It has been pending for a long time.
When was it filed?
Not the 2013.
The daughter has completed her BE.
That may or may not arise because the manner in which the court has calculated the compensation is on some kind of an assumption that there is an order in the High Court saying you have to pay that much, and therefore that's all that has to be paid. And let me just quickly take your lordship's note. It's only 2-3 paragraphs where there's absolute non-consideration, I would say. Admittedly, in page 19, third line, admittedly, maintenance amount is claimed by children prior to attaining the majority. When they were studying and required the amount, at that time they've claimed the maintenance amount. Without waiting for payment by the father, mother of the children, by taking assistance from her father and brother, completed the education of children. Now the petitioner cannot avoid his responsibility taking such a contention. Both children are studying at standard school, completed the education with hard work, and the result is also distinction. Admittedly, petitioner had paid interim maintenance of 3,000 each to the children as per order of Hon'ble High Court. There's no order of any court, my lord. According to petitioner, after deducting that amount comes to 1,89,000. He has calculated arrears which comes to 4,65,000 and has already paid 1,44,000 before the Hon'ble High Court. Arrears is only 3,21,000 and he is ready to pay the amount. It is a liability of petitioner to pay the school fee of the children. IN number 11. Respondent claimed 1,98,000 school fee of children which was taken by her from her father and brother. That was for 1 year.
Which order of the High Court they are referring to?
There is no order. I don't know which order it is. There is no reference of any order. There is no direction to pay 3,000 rupees maintenance. And nothing is placed before the court. And on that basis, my lord, for 1 year in IN number 11, we said you have to pay immediately the school fee, which he did not pay. That was 1,98,000. So the court says that is to be paid. But I have led evidence to show the entire calculations over the years of how much school fee has been paid. And there's no dispute on the amounts at all. Not a single dispute raised, my lord, with respect to the amount spent by us.
Marriage expenses at 8 lakhs each to the children.
8 lakhs to the children. 1,98,000 is for 1 year school fee, 1 year's school fee. And 3,21,000 was arrears of maintenance. But the whole direction was that the court must consider what the maintenance amount is and make a determination. There's absolutely no consideration, and all the material, my lord, has been completely ignored.
May it please Your Honor. My lord, your lordship may come to my writ petition 7838.
No, before you proceed,
Yes.
High Court in which case has directed to pay 3,000? Where is the order?
Order is dated 18/10/2016, my lord.
18/10/2000.
18/10/2016.
Is it filed?
It is not filed here. In another criminal case, it was ordered. In another criminal case, it was ordered.
You have a copy of it?
Today I don't have. I'll produce it. I have a copy. Today I don't have the copy.
The criminal case?
I thought they would not engage me on this or this court. I will produce this order of the court. It was a considered order and the other party was also present. 3,000 each was given to the child. It was 13 years ago. At that time, that 3,000 was very good amount. Now it may not be good amount, but I have paid up to the age of their attaining majority. I have paid up to date. 6,000 for 2 children. This is one aspect of the matter.
Then what about the school fees and other things?
School fees is, my lord, maintenance is not defined anywhere in any book. I've been making a research on this. Maintenance is not defined in any act, Family Court Act, Hindu Marriage Act, Maintenance Act, nothing. It is by the rule, by procedure, by precedents, by judge-made laws. We have come to understand that maintenance is food, tuition fees, medical fees, their transportation. Therefore, the second order passed by the learned trial court judge asking me to pay school fees is a part of maintenance.
No, before that.
Therefore, my submission is there cannot be a maintenance for transportation, maintenance for food, maintenance for fees. That's my submission. My submission is 3,000 plus 3,000 for two children
No,
or
1 minute.
inclusive of all this.
In a criminal proceedings, that order is passed when? Which year?
18/10/2016.
1810?
2016, 1/6.
This petition is filed?
This
No,
petition
that
is filed
not
in
that
13.
criminal proceedings is not something about a maintenance. No, when the petition is filed before the court, when the evidence is let in, court has to independently decide it, how much is the maintenance
Yes.
you are entitled.
Yes.
And after determining the maintenance,
Yes, ma'am.
then this much of amount the father is already paying,
Yes,
deduct it and then fix the maintenance.
yes.
But that is not done by the court.
No, my lord, it is not challenged. You are very much there for the past 10 years fighting the case in the court, and you did not challenge this 3,000. 3,000 was agreed, was ordered, and I paid 1,40,000 on that date I paid.
Unfortunately.
And there was no objection. You did not
Sorry.
file an application for modification.
No.
You did not file an application for 10 years.
Without an order copy being on record either before the court below
I'll produce.
or
all.
before this court.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are talking about something of 6,000 and but unfortunately court below cannot say High Court has asked in granted 6,000. So I will also do.
My lord,
This is an application.
it's not like that.
Application.
It's not like that. I'm sorry, my lord. It's not like that. It was adjudicated. It was consented. Parties were present. It's not an ex parte order. We were present. And from 16 onwards till today, 2024, you have not raised your little finger saying that it is more or less. You should have applied for a modification, applied for enhancement. That is not there. That is what is called as acquiescence. You have accepted and have paid and you have accepted also. Therefore, you cannot now go back and say, this after 10 years in 2024,
Have you
when the
seen
girls
the
are, when the girls are drawing 1,50,000 salary. No, please sit down. I did not interrupt you.
I will take instructions from the
No,
court.
please
not
sit
from
down.
you.
Please sit down.
Tell me to
My
sit.
lord, this you have raised when the two children have become majors 4 years ago, when the two children are earning 1,50,000 per month, and they don't have courtesy to tell me that they are doing this.
No, this IA
Your
is
lordship
filed-
may kindly take.
IA is filed in 2013.
Yes, no, my lord, petition is filed. IA is filed in 16.
No.
From the date of filing the
When is
application.
IA filed for interim maintenance?
Interim, my lord, this maintenance has practically become the final maintenance today. Though it was initially an application, it has become final
No,
maintenance.
whenever it is.
Yes.
When is it filed?
My lord, the application was filed on
क्या वाकई में मेंटेनेंस की व्यवस्था सिर्फ जरूरतमंद महिलाओं के लिए है या आजकल ये बस एक ट्रेंड बन गया है पैसों की मांग करने का? नीचे कमेंट करके अपनी राय जरूर दें। कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट की सुनवाई में पत्नी ने अपने पहले पति से मिलने वाले मेंटेनेंस की राशि को बढ़ाने की याचिका दायर की है, क्योंकि उसका दूसरा पति उसकी बेटियों की जिम्मेदारी लेने से इनकार कर चुका है। लेकिन जब पति पक्ष ने जवाब दिया तो उन्होंने कोर्ट को बताया कि दोनों बेटियां अच्छी खासी कमाई कर रही है और पिछले कई सालों में उन्होंने अपने पिता से कोई बात तक नहीं की। ऐसे में सवाल उठता है कि क्या फिर भी इस पिता को अपनी बेटियों को ज्यादा मेंटेनेंस देना चाहिए? फिलहाल के लिए बस इतना ही। जल्द ही इस मामले की अगली जानकारी के साथ हम फिर हाजिर होंगे। धन्यवाद।